Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to get live wallpapers on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. Now, in order to actually get those wallpapers, we need to make sure that we have TikTok. So, we'll be searching for TikTok. And if you don't have it installed, you simply click install. And after it's done, though it will probably take a while, since the Wi-Fi is, maybe it will be shorter than I think. And then after you download the TikTok, you don't have to log in, as you can basically skip the part of logging in, selling your information, etc, etc. Especially in times when TikTok is getting banned each time and is getting unbanned a few days later. Though lately I think it will get banned for good, at least in the US. So then we click open. As you can see, we can simply click skip here. You can choose whatever birthday you like, though I think you need to be, I don't think you can choose that you're not, you need to be at least 18 years old, though I may be mistaken. Choose whatever. Agree and continue. We can not allow it, since we're only here for wallpapers. Let me just simply disable it. And we also just don't care about that. And we can simply, we have to swipe once in order to actually choose it. And now we can go to our search and, for example, search for wallpapers animation 4K. They really want to show us these animations, right? We can actually go to the videos, so we can make sure that we have our videos here. And we have a bunch of different options to choose from. As you can see, actually pretty big amount of them are AI generated, but we don't care about that. And yes, I do know how to swipe. And we can click, if we click this button here, we should be able to see set for wallpaper. However, not every single wallpaper is actually capable of doing that. So let's just keep searching. Here, for example, this little water one, we can set as wallpaper. So if we click it, you might see that, nothing happens. And in order for it to actually do something, you need to go into App Store once again, and this time search for something also named TikTok, but spelled differently. So we simply go here, and I can't find it really. That's interesting. Have they removed it? Wait a moment. Video wallpaper. Here. As you can see, it's basically spelled differently, and you need to have it installed in order for TikTok to be able to set up, something from their app to your wallpaper. I keep pressing the wrong button. So now we simply click this arrow, swipe to the right, to the left, and click set as wallpaper. Now we click set as wallpaper, set wallpaper, and let's keep it as a home screen. And as you can see, now we have our little animated wallpaper. Now as you can see, it's looped in a very way. So we can simply go back and keep searching for something else. Like this looks edgy as heck, And as you can see, we can set it as a wallpaper. So let's simply click it. Let's try that one more time. But it appears that I don't think opening this application will do anything. Yep. So I don't think we can actually, we can click find wallpapers. And maybe here there will be options to actually choose something. So let's check, set as wallpaper. As you can see, it is a bit of buggy and not working usually. But here's how you, this is how you actually set your live wallpaper. And if you like this tutorial, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.